Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video in this JavaScript series. Today's topic is loops. One of the most important and powerful tools in programming. Loops allow you to run the same block of code over and over again, without writing it multiple times manually. By the end of this video you'll fully understand what loops are, why we need them, and how to use all types of loops in JavaScript, including custom step sizes, reverse loops, decimal steps, and more. Let's dive in. So why do we need loops? Imagine that you want to print the numbers from 1 to 5. You could write console.log multiple times, but what if you wanted to print from 1 to 100? Or check 1000 items? Repeating code like that would be slow, messy, and hard to maintain. That's where loops help. You write the logic once and JavaScript repeats it for you, as many times as needed. JavaScript has three main types of loops. For loop is used when you know how many times to repeat, while loop is used when you want to repeat until a condition changes. Do while loop is used when you want to run the code at least once. Let's go through each of them in detail. A for loop is the most common type. You use it when you know exactly how many times to repeat something. Here is the basic syntax. Here's a simple example. This prints numbers from 1 to 5. Here let I equals 1 means we start with the number 1. I equals 5 means run the loop while this condition is true. I++ means increase the value of I by 1 each time. Once I becomes 6. The condition is false and the loop stops. A while loop runs as long as the condition stays true. Here's an example. This does the same thing as the for loop, but the structure is different. You declare the variable before the loop and update it inside the loop. Use this when you don't know how many times the loop should run in advance. A do-while loop is like the while loop, but with one big difference. The code runs first, then the condition is checked. Here the loop prints 6 once, even though the condition is false. This is useful when you want your code to run at least one time, no matter what. By default, we use I++, which adds 1 each time. But what if you want to count faster, count backward, skip numbers, use decimals, or multiply steps? Let's look at all possibilities. Step by more than 1. This prints the following. You can change the step to any number. Counting backward, reverse loop. This prints the following. You can also go faster in reverse. This prints the following. Decimal steps. Yes, you can count with decimal values. We use dot to fixed 1 to round the number and remove long decimals like 0.30004. Keep in mind to fixed turns the number into a string, so use it only for display purposes. Multiply or divide in loop. You can also use multiplication and division for patterns. This prints the following. Or divide. This prints the following. This is useful for doubling or having patterns. Infinite loops. If your loop never stops, that's called an infinite loop. It happens when the condition always stays true, or the loop variable is never updated. Example. This loop will run forever and crash your program. Always make sure your condition will become false at some point where your loop variable is being updated correctly. And that's it. In the next video, we'll learn about break and continue. Two powerful tools that help you control loops even better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.